Welcome to this video on managing attendance. You can access the attendance pages from modules, academics and learning. First thing you do in this module is update the attendance settings. You can add new attendance status, color code it, and if required, give weightages to the present and absent status. Here's the status we created. Note that you can modify or delete a status as well. You can set up subject-wise attendance and also specify if you want multiple sessions. Note that you must select these settings in the initial setup. Let's add a new session. So here's the new session we created. Now let's select a class and mark attendance. The legend shows the statuses that you defined. Here's the one we created. The results are week-wise. Now let's select a date and mark it as a holiday. You can enter comments for each student. Generally, you can first mark all students as present and then change the status later on. You can also click through the various statuses. You can verify the status from the legend. Before submitting attendance, you can send absent notification to students or parents by SMS or email. Checking these fields sends notification for the selected days. Let's check some analytics. So now we're checking the attendance status for a class within a range of dates. A tick mark indicates that attendance is already marked for this session. A submit link indicates that attendance has not been marked yet. Till now, we marked attendance as an admin. An admin has permissions to mark attendance. Let's now sign in as a teacher and mark attendance. Notice that the search fields show only those subjects and classes that this teacher is assigned to. Here are the attendance details we marked as an admin earlier. Let's mark attendance. Let's move on for now and see analytics. Here's the attendance we updated for all sessions. Let's sign out as a teacher and sign in as an admin again. Let's view attendance statistics from the dashboard. You can select a class and section and view details graphically. You can refresh the graph or save it as an image for review later. And that's how easy it is to mark attendance with Classe365. Thank you for watching.